Welcome to my first unboxing video where I'm going to show you guys this new camera I got from Amazon, and hopefully it'll be really good in making new videos. I got this SD card to go with it. It was a suggested underneath to go with it, and so it has lots of room to make videos. So here it is. It's HD 1080 special vlogging video camera. Here we go. Here's the user's manual and tips, I guess. Okay. So first thing we find when we open the box is a microphone, a special microphone that you can attach to the camera for better sound. It's pretty cool. Very awesome. And I guess it's battery operated, so you have to use batteries with it. AAA. That's pretty cool. Here's the settings, different decibels, and that's where you attach it at the bottom. And then there's a cord attachment also. Next we got this cord, USB cord. I'm guessing that goes, you can hook it up to the computer with it. Or I'm guessing either computer or charger. But by the looks of it, it goes in the charger, so to charge the battery. And that's the other part for the charging. Remote. That is super cute. So it looks like it's got different modes. Night mode. It said it came with night mode. And here's the battery. Rechargeable. And this must be the cord for the computer then, because it's got double USB. Yes, definitely. Okay, and here's the actual camera. And it comes with this little cute case. So here we go. Here's the end where you can put the attachments. Looks like the top one's for the microphone, and then HD cord and USB cord. That's great. There we go. So high definition, digital zoom, night shot, touch screen, motion detection, 24 megapixels. And there it is if you need to put it on a stand so it won't move. And there's the attachment for the microphone. And there's the zoom in and out. And I'm guessing that's where you put the SD card. Yes, there it is, the battery and the SD card. Alright. And then it opens like this. We got the power and the different buttons on here, just in case you're not using the remote. So, pretty cute camera otherwise. Very small but cute. And it has a lens cap too. So, yay! Comes with all this stuff. So hopefully it'll be a good camera. And you'll see us shooting with that very soon. Thank you for watching, and make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't.